Hey, what's up everyone? This is a video on how to load, empty, and use the Diaper Genie and fix a lid when it's messed up. Here's my refillable thing I got. This is the old one. You could pop it out. If yours is empty, then you just put it in from this side on the bottom. And what you would do is after you get it in, you peel this little plastic ring off. It's right here. It goes all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and show you. Just pull this ring off right here. And get it all the way off, and then that'll allow the bag to come out. Now once you can get the bag out, you pull it out and you work it all the way around, and then you pull it through the center. And after you pull it through the center, we're going to tie it. And this is going to be like when the diaper goes in, it's going to push down this way, and it'll help push the bag down. So just do like that, and then just tie this side. Go ahead and tie it, just a basic knot, you know, it doesn't have to be a mega tight or nothing. And then you put it in, and then basically when you go to change a diaper, it'll go in. So I'll show you what's going on. Once it's in, you could pull it out a little bit if you want. So basically when you put a diaper in, it's going to push this diaper bag down into this trash can part of it. So you just push this to open the lid, put the diaper in, and when the diaper goes in, it'll also pull out more of the bag, and it'll go all the way down. Now this thing will fill up quite a bit. You can probably get maybe I don't know, 15 diapers in here. It goes down and down. So yeah, you can get these at Costco and Walmart, better price at Costco. And then when it's ready to empty, you come down here. This will be full, of course. And what you do is you come to this spot right here, the cutter. And you're gonna cut it like right here. It's kind of like saran wrap. It just has like a little cutter spot, and you cut the bag, and then all your dirty diapers will be in here. And then you just tie the top of it, and then go throw it away. Like I said, it'll be a lot more fuller. This is just a tutorial. And then you tie this side like this, and then just kind of repeat the process. You just close it, and then you're good to go again. Yeah, so I mean that's it. It fills up, and then you just empty it out. I can't tell you how many diapers this thing goes through each cartridge. Also, the lid sometimes gets messed up, like right here. I don't know, it just gets messed up sometimes. So if it does, what you want to do is come in here. There's this little bar, plastic bar. You want to put your finger right here and pull it all the way forward, and then the lid will drop down, and then that'll fix the lid part, and then it'll just go back to working normal. Alright, but that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe for more information. Thanks for watching.